Hey there! Welcome back to Beyond Days of the Reef. In the previous episode, we explored what an LTER is. Now we are going to dive deeper into the awesome research that is happening in Santa Barbara's very own long-term research project, the Santa Barbara Coastal Long-Term Ecological Research Project, or the SBC LTER. There have been separate research projects on kelp forests and the coastal ocean for many years before the SBC LTER was established. The SBC LTER was founded in 2000 with the goal of understanding the dynamics of temperate coastal ecosystems, including kelp forests, the rocky intertidal, and sandy beaches over a longer period of time, so that they can paint a picture of how these ecosystems function. So, what do we want to understand about these ecosystems? Great question. The SBC's main research goal is to investigate how kelp forests are affected by processes both in the ocean and on land. To reach this goal, they have asked these key questions over the SBC's lifetime. How do living and non-living factors interact and change how kelp forests are structured over time? How is the way that kelp forests are organized changed by the average weather over long periods of time, or the climate, and disturbances like storms? What are the effects of natural impacts like storms and human impacts like fishing on kelp forests? In order to answer these questions, the SBC LTER does ongoing monitoring as well as experiments throughout the entire Santa Barbara Channel, from the Channel Islands to the coast. In this monitoring, they conduct surveys on the amount and types of animals, plants, and algae, as well as measuring physical factors like water chemistry, nutrients, and currents. One part of this monitoring is the monitoring of kelp at an area called Mohawk Reef off of Mesa Lane in Santa Barbara. If you're from Santa Barbara, you may have walked by without even knowing it's there. There, they're investigating how nutrients like nitrogen affect how kelp grows, how kelp can recover from disturbances like big storms, and how fishing impacts kelp forests. How can fishing and disturbances change kelp forests, though? If you like, you can take a second to pause this video and brainstorm some ideas. Check out the next episode to learn the answer that scientists have learned and what it has to do with sea urchins.